And good morning. Welcome back to the Junius Maltby channel as we check in today as the morning markets are open and find their legs. What do we see? We see gold once again above 1800. Silver solidly above the $18 mark, sitting at 1862. Last I checked, gold was at 1803.50. And since then, it had retreated, looks like, to about 1795, and it's battling to get above that 1800 again. It depends which sites you check and which market calls you're seeing. It various banks make the phone calls to determine the prices. It's the world we live in. Price discovery for gold is complicated, apparently. But yes, gold continuing to be the canary in the mine and reflecting and showing us that the currency is in a state of depreciation, that the faith has been lost in the U.S. dollar, and that the Fed and Treasury have no control over the direction of the economy or any way to stave off the conflagration and destruction of the piles of fiat that are currently burning. It's a sad state of affairs for any who are exposed to significant amounts of the U.S. dollar. And I think most people that hold them know this, and they are moving and changing their positions as we speak. It's something that's happening. It's a flight, a capital flight, and people are taking strategic efforts to lessen their exposure to the dollar. You know, crypto's not doing too good right now. It's been flat, a bear trend for a long time. And when you look at just the way Bitcoin's been behaving compared to gold recently and over the last year, it's concerning for those that might have significant exposures there. I don't really know how to think about it. You know, I've got my mixed feelings on it. I've always had my oppositions to crypto for the various reasons. However, as you know, I've taken positions here and there. I currently hold 0 Bitcoin. I've not held any for any length of time. I've always bet on the banks in that situation because, let's be honest, the banks always win. So I've bought the banker token, just a little bit of it, and we'll see how it works. In the long term, however, moving forward, 2020, 2021, 2022, the remainder of this decade, I mean, you've got to be confident. I mean, you've seen the way gold has moved just in the last year, the last 5 years, the last 10 years. I mean, if you need to look at the charts again, you need to revisit some of the motivational videos here on the importance of gold ownership, then do so. This is a multi-decade bull run. Gold's not going anywhere but up, and there's nothing they can do about it. Have a good one.